Welcome to Foxtecc. Today, I'll guide you on how to enter address information on TikTok to help the platform suggest relevant accounts and content. While TikTok doesn't use a physical address for suggestions, it can use your phone number and email address to connect you with other users. By adding these details, TikTok can recommend your account to people who already have your contact information and vice versa. To start, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu button, which looks like 3 lines in the top right corner. Then, select Settings and Privacy. In this section, find Account and go into User Information. To add or update your phone number, tap on Phone Number and follow the verification steps after entering your number. This will allow TikTok to associate your account with your phone number. Once that's done, return to Manage Account and select Email to add or update your email address. Just enter your email and complete the verification process here as well. By adding your phone number and email, TikTok can now suggest your account to people who have your contact information in their own phone, contacts, and have synced them with TikTok. Likewise, if you choose to sync your contacts, TikTok can suggest accounts from people in your contacts list. To sync your contacts, go back to your profile page, tap the menu button again, select Settings and Privacy, and then go to Privacy. Here, choose Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. Toggle on Sync Contacts to allow TikTok to recommend accounts from your contacts and suggest your account to others who have your information. Remember, TikTok doesn't have a way to use a physical address for suggestions, so it relies on contact details like phone numbers and emails to make account recommendations. This setup can help you connect more easily with people you know on the platform. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips. See you later.